Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix GameLoop error code 21. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to your start menu, look for GameLoop, and then run GameLoop as administrator. That is the first step. If this didn't work, then what you're going to do next is you check firewall permission. What you're going to do is you have to go to firewall and protection, tap this one, open. And then here you have to look for allow application. Now, once you tap this allow an application here, you have to tap on change settings, allow application, tap browse, and then look for game loop. Add game loop right here, but since I have added it already, what I'm going to do now is I have to make sure that I have checked the private and public. Now see if this method works. If not, the next thing to do here is to reset network settings. Network errors often trigger error 21. So press Windows plus I and then go to network and internet, scroll down, click network reset and then restart your PC after it resets. Next is you can use VPN. Sometimes your ISP origin may block GameLoop servers, so try launching GameLoop with a VPN. Now, lastly, reinstall GameLoop. So what you're going to do here is you have to go to add and remove program, look for GameLoop, and then under apps and features, you have to uninstall and reinstall GameLoop. So that's how easy it is to fix GameLoop error code 21. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.